Game can't find its code because of the DirectX 9 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll show you how to restore that connection and start playing. This DLL file is a legacy DirectX 9 auxiliary library. It provides high-level 3D graphics functions such as skinning, mesh processing, and texture management required by games and multimedia applications released around 2005. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. The DirectX 9 Update 27 DLL is commonly utilized in game graphics and audio processing routines. To resolve the error, install the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore legacy DirectX-related DLLs, then update your GPU drivers to ensure full OpenCL and OpenGL support. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the DirectX 9 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for the DirectX 9 Update 27 DLL, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. To reduce startup overhead, the suggested system resource below includes information on managing the DirectX 9. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and DirectX End-User Runtime error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.